few tips about insurance information. It is extremely important you update our office with any changes to your insurance coverage. Insurance companies are very different with very different coverages even within the same company. Our office will check with your insurance to get coverage information such as benefits, deductible, co-insurance, and out-of-pocket amounts as well as possible exclusions. We do our best based on the information we are given from the patient and the insurance company. Ultimately, it is the patient's responsibility to know their insurance coverage. Any claims that are denied or paid differently than we were told will be the responsibility of the patient. Here are a few things to know about prosthetic devices. All prosthetic sockets are custom made to each individual patient. There is no one-size-fits-all. Prosthetic patients will require multiple appointments including assessment and evaluation, measurement and casting, socket design, component selection, trial fitting, training and education, and follow-up visits. We hope these answered your questions. If you need clarification or have any other questions, please call us at OrthoPro. We would be happy to help.